Hello everyone. Before starting the topic, I am going to tell one thing. So previously what we have created the tables and columns or measures in Power BI desktop, that we can't see in the Power BI transformations. So let's start. Now I am starting with trigonometry. Trigonometry typically refers to the mathematical functions and operations related to trigonometric functions like sine, cosine, tangent, arcsine, arccosine, arctangent, etc. These functions are commonly used in data analysis and visualization, especially when dealing with periodic or cyclical data. These functions can be useful for various tasks such as analyzing cyclical patterns in data, such as seasonal sales trends, calculating angles or distances in geographical analysis, transforming data for visualization purposes, such as creating radial or circular charts. Then next, rounds a number to a specified number of decimal places. Round up, rounds a number up, away from 0, to a specified number of decimal places. Round down, rounds a number down, towards 0, to a specified number of decimal places. Round customization, so, by using this we can customize the decimal values. Then next, date and time duration. All this are used for extracting components. You can extract various components such as year, month, day, hour, minute, second, etc., from date and time values. Calculating durations. You can calculate the duration between two date or time values, such as the difference in days, months, years, hours, minutes, or seconds. Adding and subtracting time. You can add or subtract a specific duration, example days, months, years, from a given date or time value. Grouping and aggregating by time periods. You can group and aggregate data based on different time periods such as year, quarter, month, week, day, hour, etc., to analyze trends over time. Handling time zones. Power BI provides functions to convert date and time values between different time zones or adjust them for local time zone differences. Then next, even and odd transactions. You can use calculations in Power BI to determine if certain attributes of transactions are even or odd. For example, you might analyze transaction amounts and categorize them as even or odd based on whether they are whole numbers or contain decimals. This categorization could help identify patterns in transaction amounts. Sign of transactions. The concept of sign in transactions could refer to the positive or negative nature of the transaction amount. In Power BI, you can analyze transaction data to determine the sign of transaction amounts and categorize transactions as positive, negative, or zero based on their monetary value. Then next, Python script. In Power BI, you can use Python scripts within the Power Query editor to transform data. Python scripts can be used to perform various data manipulation tasks such as cleaning, transforming, aggregating, or even applying machine learning algorithms to the data. To use Python scripts in Power BI transformations, you typically create a new query or edit an existing one in the Power Query Editor, then use the Run Python script option under the Transform tab. This allows you to write Python code directly within Power BI to manipulate your data. Python scripts can utilize a wide range of libraries such as pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, etc., to perform complex data transformations and analysis. R script. Similarly, Power BI also supports using R scripts within the Power Query Editor for data transformations. R scripts can be used to perform statistical analysis, data manipulation, and advanced visualization tasks on your data. To use R scripts in Power BI transformations, you follow a similar process as with Python scripts. Create or edit a query in the Power Query Editor, and then use the Run R script option under the Transform tab to write and execute R code directly within Power BI. R scripts can leverage the vast collection of R packages available for various statistical and analytical tasks, making it a powerful tool for data transformation and analysis. Do the practice with sample data.